Ladies and gentlemen, if you are practicing hair transplantation, please listen to me. We all need education, especially in our specialty in hair transplantation. However, there are too many hair meetings in the world. Every country, every month, you name it. They're all good meetings, and they list in the magazine here that we would like to attend. But which one should we go to attend the meeting? My name is Dr. Pathomvanich. I'm a founder and the first president of the Asian Association of Hair Transplantation Surgeons. I have been practiced in hair transplantation for over 30 years, and I have contributed a lot in hair transplantation to the community. I would like to invite you to attend this meeting that will be held in Hangzhou in June 6 to 9. It's a joint meeting between AAHRS and CAHRS. You will learn everything that you want to know regarding hair transplantation, regarding medical treatment, and regenerative medicine. You also learn the secret from the master, from Chinese doctor, and invited speaker. Hangzhou is a beautiful city in China, and you would like not to miss that. Register now, and I'm looking forward to see you there. Thank you.